Oh my God. I guess it snowed this morning. So we have a bit of a problem. And it has to do with something very important. It's something required to build these units behind me. And the problem usually occurs somewhere in this area. It actually has to do with something John's holding right now. We are having a bit of a tool, we're having a bit of a tool replacement issue. So we've done some brainstorming, and I believe we have come to a solution. Okay, so the goal with these little tags, I didn't actually fill out the rest of these here, but the goal, each member in the shop is going to get a set of tags. Let's say they get 6 tags. By the way, this is all Christian's idea. So we have to take these tags, they're all gonna have your name on them, and when you go to take a tool, we have to replace it with a tag. Just a simple tracking of tools. We're hoping that this has a little bit of accountability. You've got your tag hanging by the tool. When you check it out, hopefully it gets returned. We currently don't have any better ideas. We just know that when the boys get working hard, sometimes stuff doesn't get put back, and then it's very frustrating for the next guy, and so on. And then guys start getting frustrated with each other. So we're hoping this isn't too annoying and it's quick enough, but this will at least tell us who's checked that tool out and not returned it. Okay, so the idea would be that I go ahead and use the tool, and when I'm done,